So here we have the Alynce solid state drive, and it's in the PCI Gen 4 4x format. So it reads up to 500 megabytes and writes up to 440 megabytes. So here you have it in its protective case. The packaging comes just right. So it has multi-layer PBS, and this way it keeps it running cool and very efficient, runs on low power. They back it up with a 3-year warranty. So basically, here you go. Nice little card. So what you do is you slide it in on your motherboard and you screw it down on this side, and you're ready to go with solid state, no moving parts, external or internal solid state hard drive, 512 gigabytes of space. Now they have others. So this could easily upgrade your machine, whether it's a laptop, whatever takes a form factor, your desktop, and extra storage is priceless, especially these days. You know how the prices are, and getting a good deal on a solid state drive is great. So as soon as you plug this in, you're gonna get your startup screens and stuff, and you'll be able to format it and do all that in your machine. That's up to your particular machine. But what we got here is just a nice piece of equipment at a great price, which backing it up with a 3-year warranty, which is pretty solid. So it's a 220/80 form factor, and I don't have space in my machine to put it in, and this is not what I'm not installing it. But if you know, get this for a little bit of extra space. Files are just getting larger, programs are just getting larger. Having extra storage, or just upgrading your laptop or your small PC with some extra solid state, get rid of the moving equipment. It's old news. Try this and you won't be disappointed. 3-year warranty. Good stuff.